Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Connectrn nursing jobs app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Connectrn is a nursing-focused job platform designed to help RNs, LPNs, and CNAs find shifts, build flexible schedules, and work at facilities that match their preferences. Instead of traditional long-term contracts, Connectrn allows healthcare professionals to pick up shifts on demand, giving them more freedom and control over when and where they work. It's available on both iOS and Android and is used by hospitals, long-term care centers, and home health facilities across various regions. The app's main feature is its shift booking system. You can browse available shifts, view pay rates up front, and accept them instantly without lengthy paperwork. It also keeps all your credentials stored in one place, tracks your work history, and notifies you when new shifts open that match your role and location. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app's transparency in pay rates, ease of picking up shifts, and the flexibility it provides compared to traditional scheduling. Nurses and CNAs often mention that Connectrn helps them earn extra income, discover new facilities, and avoid scheduling burnout. The app also updates shift availability frequently, making it easier to find work fast. However, there are some drawbacks. Shift availability may vary depending on your city or state, meaning some regions have fewer opportunities. A few users report occasional glitches in shift confirmation or issues with facility cancellations. Additionally, onboarding and verification steps can take time, especially when uploading credentials or waiting for approval. In summary, the Connectrn app may be worth using if you want flexible work hours, transparent shift rates, and a convenient way to find nursing shifts without long-term commitments. However, if you prefer stable, full-time employment or live in an area with limited partnered facilities, it might not be as beneficial for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.